So these are 5 yoga poses to help you get started off with your day. This is beginner friendly, and what you will see in this sequence is that there are sort of variations where you can level it up depending on how you feel as you wake up and start your day. So you come into child's pose and maybe start with a bit of a wiggle, any small movements. And then as you reach the arms forward, we'll veer off to one side, find that nice side bend, and make sure that you come over to the other side and you ground the opposite butt cheek down. And then from child's pose, we'll slowly come up to a tabletop position, and then any movement that feels good, maybe circles at the hips, maybe a half circle, and make sure you go the opposite direction. And then from here, we'll do a few rolling cats. As you exhale, you round through the back. Inhale, pushing forward. Exhale, find that nice stretch at all of the back muscles as you sit towards the feet. And then inhale as you press up. We do it at least 3 times. And then we come up to a tabletop. And then we start to wake up the core, maybe our entire body, in a floating tabletop. As we step back to a plank, and then see if you can distribute the weight, and then as we push back to downward facing dog. And then any movement in down dog, alternate bending the knees, maybe wiggle the hips from side to side, making sure you press evenly on both palms. And maybe lifting one leg up, open at the hip, and then doing it at the other side. And then from down dog, we step the right foot forward. We start off with a low lunge. Okay, make sure you find traction at the legs. Reach the arms up. And then we'll add the twist. And then from the twist, you can layer on and make it a bit challenging, lifting the back knee up into a high lunge twist. And then we come back to a plank. Inhale. Then as you exhale, you press back, downward facing dog. Then we'll take it on the other side. You step the opposite foot forward. As you press your right knee down. As you breathe in, we reach the arms up, find length. Keep the traction at the legs, sliding them towards each other. Then we'll add a twist. Since you have leverage to press your right arm against the left knee, you can twist any amount. And then maybe make it a little bit more challenging by coming up to a high lunge twist and stay for a few breaths. And then as you release, you step back to a plank. Breathe in here and then exhale, pressing back to downward facing dog. And stay for at least 5 breaths. See how you feel in down dog. And then when you're ready, can lower the knees down, find child's pose, and maybe bring the hands to wrap around the legs and then just let the shoulders roll down towards the mat. So I hope you felt good after doing that sequence. I know I did. I hope that had given you that extra boost of energy to start off your day, or had given you that mental focus to get going with your day. So I would like to thank you for watching. This is Ever Yoga by Jo and Daya, sharing everyday yoga for everybody.